Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we're going to be taking a look at some long to short transformations. Wow, what a gorgeous transformation into this short copper bob style. She's got the cowboy copper color going there. And then we move into the next one. It looks like she decided to switch it up with this asymmetrical bob. Oh, wow. I love the layers the stylist did with that one. So another hot hair trend that we actually haven't been seeing for quite a few seasons now, I would say, is the wolf cut. We saw it trending heavily all over TikTok like about a year or so ago. And since then, it's kind of, pretty much gone away. So here she decided to switch it up with a wolfie. Now she goes quite short with this one. And what I like about this style is that it's really like an edgy, like a modern day mullet, in my opinion. Super cute, obviously shorter in the front. Very cute style. And we have a bit of a chop, so she went with a mid-length cut. She's got the gorgeous wavy tussle texture here. And then we move into a pixie. Ooh, what an absolutely gorgeous bob transformation. I love the color he did here for this one as well. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay, he is cutting a lot of hair off. So she looks like she came to the salon with maybe like waist-length hair, very long. And he's definitely cutting that hair into a pixie. Oh, wow. I love how structured this is. Her hair, the volume to the cut. This is absolutely gorgeous. And then we move into a nice bob cut refresh. Looks like she got a nice, just classic bob here with a center part down the middle. I love that lip color. So pretty. Her makeup overall, gorge. So here we have someone, she's got two ponytails here. Cuts them right off. And I think she's getting a pixie too because she's going quite short. I love how excited she is. Like, you can tell she is just like ready for this shortcut. Oh, she got a buzz cut. Wow. All that long hair gone. Good for her. Like I said, you could tell she's totally excited about that hair change. So here we have someone with some mid-length hair. Oh, and she gets this super cute pixie. Oh my goodness. It's got a little tail in the back. I love this shape and texture. Very cute. You can tell too, she's got like that carefree vibe about her cut. So here we have someone else with about mid-back length hair. Looks like she's also getting a pixie for this one. Oh, hair is gone. Stylist smooths out the hair with the mousse, lets it set. Love her makeup too. And she does this beautiful blowout. Look at those curls. I cannot believe she's getting those curls with the blow dryer. Like, that's insane to me. Beautiful pixie style. Look at that shine. So gorgeous. And she looks so good rocking out the short hair. Very cute. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these long to short transformations featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.